Installing a system board. Tilt the system board and align the connectors with the corresponding openings on the front of the chassis. Then, gently lower the system board into the chassis and insert the connectors into the openings. Slide the system board toward the rear of the chassis until the system board is secured in place. Follow the correct sequence to secure the system board to the chassis with 9 screws. Make sure the CMOS battery is installed on the system board. Install the front I/O bracket. There is a small tab on the right side of the front I/O bracket. Place the tab behind the front I/O bracket slot on the chassis. Align the guide hole and screw hole on the front I/O bracket with the guide pin and screw slot on the chassis, and then install the front I/O bracket into the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the front I/O bracket to the chassis. Install the processor. Install the firmware and ROT security module. Install the memory modules. Install the rear system fan. Install the heatsink and fan module. Install the PCI adapter. Install the cage bar. If applicable, install the drive cage in Bay 3. Install the intrusion switch. Reconnect all the required cables to the new system board. If applicable, install the optical drive cage. If applicable, install the optical drive. Install the front bezel. Install the server cover.